Welcome friends, welcome to the lecture series of Basic Electronics. So in this session we are going to discuss about the brief syllabus and teaching scheme and examination scheme of Basic Electronics subject and how we can execute this whole syllabus that we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So GTU offers a 3 lecture and 2 hours practical scheme for this basic electronics subject, and the credit of this subject that is of 4, right? 3 lectures और 2 hours practical की जो है ये स्कीम रहेगी basic electronics में. So there will be 70 marks of end semester examination. Progressive assessment will be of 30 marks. Practical marks end semester examination will be of 30 marks, and progressive assessment carried out for the practical marks will be of 20 marks, right? So in short, the total of 150 marks will be evaluated during this course. Now, what are its syllabus contents that we are going to see? The syllabus content having the first chapter, that is of diode theory and applications. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the diodes and its characteristics, how diode is working, how the approximations can be done, what is Zener diode, how we can test the diode, full wave bridge rectifier, half wave rectifier, that all things will be covered in this first chapter. The total hours of teaching will be of 10 hours, and the weightage of this chapter, that is of 20%. The second chapter, that is of bipolar junction transistors and its biasing. मतलब ट्रांजिस्टर जो है वो हम इसके अंदर डिस्कस करेंगे, बेसिक प्रिंसिपल से लेके उसके ऑपरेशन वर्किंग तक हम जाएंगे. What are the voltages of BJT and currents that will also be covered. Different types of configurations, characteristics of this transistors will be covered. What is DC load line and bias point, that will also be covered in this video lecture. Different types of biasing circuits will be covered in this chapter. Thermal stability, biasing BJT switching circuits, transistor power dissipation and switching time, this all things. Also the testing of BJT and with multimeter, and we also need to read the data sheet of this BJT, right? So that is the chapter of 20% weightage. After that there are some special purpose diodes and transistors. So these transistors are what, and these are what kind of special purpose diodes covered in this chapter that we are going to see. That is of 10% weightage. The next chapters are of AC analysis of BJT circuits and small signal amplifier. What you call a small signal amplifier, how the BJT will work with the AC supply, that is covered in this video lecture. Then after the fifth chapter, that is of field effect transistors and its biasing. Now this is a different device comparing with the BJT, but it will also have some perks of using this FET and how it can be biased, that will be also seen in this chapter. Now both the chapters are having the weightage of 20%. This will contain separate 20% and this will also contain set 20% weightage, right? The next, that is the smallest chapter, digital circuits, having digital logic gates, how digital logic can be built up, that can be seen in this chapter. And this chapter weighs only 10% of the syllabus, but still it is very much important for the computer and IT engineering. So it will be useful in the next consecutive semesters. So how we will watch the lecture? See, there are lectures which are delivered will be available at this YouTube channel. The link is given here, and lectures are scheduled and premiered on the mentioned channel. So to watch the previous videos, it will be available on the mentioned channel. Follow the steps. To watch the previous videos. See, first of all, you need to go to the channel, go to playlist, select BE playlist, and select the video you wish to watch. So basic electronics playlist will be made over there, but you need to go to the channel and then go for the playlist, and you can able to see the previous video. See, the channel logo is described over here, so don't go anywhere. This is my logo, and on this channel it will be available. as all of you are already aware of this, but still it is for the betterment of your study. You must kindly go through the steps. Now there will be some assignment need to be submitted in the Google Classroom after the completion of the lecture. All of you need to submit the assignment and everything in the particular classroom. So we can have some quiz type or lecture notes, or it will be of questions and answers of descriptive type to be written in your separate notebook. All of you need to make a separate notebook, which are done need to be written in a separate notebook so that it will be helpful for reading, right? Assignment need to be scanned and turned into the classroom without fail within due time. Attendance will be considered on the basis of assignment submission. That is one thing, and another, that whenever you are watching the video, you need to comment your enrollment numbers in the comment section, and if you have any doubts, I will be there for you for the doubt solving, and I will be there for online query solving after the completion of this lecture. So all of you must take a note of this, that we also need to watch the live video lecture at a time whenever the video is premiered on the YouTube channel, right? So that is the thing, and all of you must be present without fail at the time of lecture. All of you must be present. I will check who were not present. Their parents will be called up, and feedback will be taken from their parents, that what is the particular reason behind this not appearing for the video lecture. So that's all for the lecture, and I hope all of you must be ready with the new subject, and also do good in the next semester. We will start with the diode theory and applications in the video. Okay, thank you for watching the video lecture. Also share and subscribe the video to your friends and colleagues, and to watch more this kind of exciting videos, you can also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video.